want to do today is to go into poetry, Edo poetry. So we have this book here, Edos Are One. Edos Are One, which means Edokpa Maki in Edo language. Edos Are One. When we say Edos Are One, we are saying that all Edo-speaking people are one. Who are the Edo-speaking people? We are many. From Oredo, we go on to Esa, then we go on to Akoko Edo, to Esakon, then to Onwa, then to Afema. All are Edo-speaking people. But beyond that, we have other people who are also Edos because they originated. They came out of the Edo people. Oh, who are they? You know, they are the Urobos. They are the Isoko people. They are the Eka people. They are the Ishakiri people. They are the Ijo people. These are all Edos. We are one. We came from the same quiver. That is what we are going to do today. As we read this, we will be doing three things together. Three things. Number one, we will be doing poetry. So we see the way the syllables of the poetry, how they are falling branch by branch. You will be appreciative. You will like it. That is number one. Number two, most of the things we are going to be talking about are in Edo history, our own history. So get ready to learn a part of Edo history in whatever chapter we are reading from this book. And number three, we will be learning how to read and write Edo. As we go through these verses, you will begin to see the words and how they are pointed, how they are dotted, and you will begin to know the spelling of these words and how to join syllables together in Edo language. All of us will work together. I hope you remember my name, the Bishop Stephen Agahowa. You are welcome. It will be a wonderful time together. Today we will do chapter 1 of this book, Edos Are One. Look how so this is verse 1 of the Edos Are One. Edos Are One. This is the poetry involving a lot of historical facts and also the learning of the Edo language. Okay. Edos were one in origin. This is verse 1, the topic of verse 1. Edos were one in origin. They are yet one in diversity. We are saying that Edos began as one people, but they are still one in diversity means all Edos, even though they have diverged to different parts and dialects, they are still the same one Edo. Many Esan, Esako, Onwa, Afema, Ora, Urobo, Shakiri, Isoko, they are all still one Edo, although in diversity. Good. Reverently behold their genesis. That is, reverently behold their beginning. That Edos, all of them, came out of one quiver. One quiver means one reproductive organ. There was a center, that is Benin, from where they rallied. Expanded they became, because there was no boundary. A people, special, direct descent from the Creator Almighty. The kindred of a Eteri royal line. These people came from one father, and they were very special because they came from the creation. The Creator at the first time of creation, according to Genesis chapter 1, which we read the other day in verse 2. They were a people of the Eteri royal line from above. Ogiso, king, sent from the Eteri skies. Ogiso dynasty forebears of 31 kings. So Edo creation story affirms. Eweka dynasty, the royal line continued. 38 ruling Obas, the counting continues. Watch this. Ogiso dynasty ended in 31 kings. After the Ogiso dynasty, we had the Eweka dynasty. So the Eweka dynasty actually is 40 now, but we wrote 38 here because the time these manuscripts were written, it was about 12 years ago that these manuscripts were written. At that time, they were 38, actually 39. But when the new king was coronated and made king, he became the 40th king. And of course, he amended the records by bringing in the very first king after the Eweka dynasty, the Oba Oramiya, and that made it 40. So let us get it straight. It is 40 ruling Obas. The counting continues, means there is no end to Edo monarchy. 2 dynasties, Ogiso dynasty, and then the Eweka dynasty, where we are now. I believe this is very sweet to know and to learn. God bless you all. Amen.